Today we are going to demonstrate V-Migrate, one element of VirtaMove's Migration Intelligence Suite, which consists of V-Maestro for orchestration, V-Monitor for application monitoring, and V-Migrate for migrating legacy applications to modern Windows servers. This video will show a simple web page migration from a Windows 2008 R2 server to a Windows 2019 destination server using V-Migrate for the migration component of MI Suite. We begin with showing the source server. It is a 64-bit Windows 2008 R2 server. And here is the website. Nothing complex for the purposes of this short demo. Next, let's look at the destination server. A 64-bit Windows 2019 server. Nothing related to the website is installed, just the VirtaMove software. After launching the VirtaMove administrative software, first we create an empty VA container or virtual application appliance. We link the source and destination servers using the IP address of the source machine. The network connection is established with VirtaMove's source agent tool that provides encryption and compress all of the files and application components as they are copied from the source to the destination server. We can test the connection to ensure that it is established correctly. Once the connection is confirmed, we need to perform a pre-check to ensure that there will be no barriers to migration of application components between the two servers. The pre-check is based on many years of migrations at VirtaMove and are critical to the success of migration. Now that all the checks have been successfully passed, we can find which applications are available for migration using the Find Applications button. Those applications will be displayed in a list format at the bottom. Using the VirtaMove migration software, you can select exactly the applications that you wish to migrate from the source server. In this case, we select Bitnami WordPress Stack. The VirtaMove software has intelligent features built in that determine which other application components are required when migrating an application. Those selected components can be reviewed by selecting the source servers, source accounts, source com, and source tabs if you wish. Once you are satisfied with the selections, pick the Pre-Populate button to begin the initial application and data copy process from the source server. Note that during this process there is no downtime of the source server application required because of the technology used in VirtaMove's source agent tool. Once the pre-population step is complete, we can begin using the V-Migrate application on the destination server. To do that, we have to perform the dock function from within the administrative console. The dock function introduces, on a temporary basis, the application to the underlying OS. Once docked, the application can be used in the same manner as it is on the source server, including started related services, launching the application, or in this case, the website. Note that the application service has a dependency on the VirtaMove controller service while the application still resides in VirtaMove's VA container. Once the application runs successfully and the application owner tests and verifies the application is performing all related tasks and functions, it can then be pushed to the underlying OS so that it has the appearance of having been natively installed. The process of reinstalling the application to the underlying OS can only happen if the application is undocked, which removes the application's visibility to the underlying operating system. The VA container dissolve process will push all related application components, registry, services, users and groups, as well as folder structure and files directly to the OS of the destination server. The application can then be used in the exact same manner it is being used on the source server. Be sure to start associated services. In some case, a reboot of the destination server may be needed. Using the VirtaMove migration process, applications will show up in the Programs and Features list as well. To arrange a more in-depth demo or see the full MI Suite product line, including V-Maestro and V-Monitor, please browse to our website, VirtaMove.com, or send an email to info@VirtaMove.com.